Hello, greetings everyone. How are we doing? I am excited. Today I will be sharing with you my cheese pie recipe. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients needed to make our cheese pie. For the short crust pastry dough, I have here 4 cups of sifted all-purpose flour, half cup of vegetable shortening, half cup of margarine. You can also use butter. Ice water, we will need 1 cup and maybe a little extra to mix the dough. Grated cheese, 4 eggs, 250 ml evaporated milk. In this plate I have some sweet peppers, grated carrots, chopped echalot. These are optional, but I like to use it in the filling so that it can look attractive, appealing to the eye, and it also sends that sensation to the mouth. So we will mix our short crust pastry dough first. So here we have the flour, the shortening, and the margarine. Using my fingertip, I will incorporate the fat into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. It would have a look like breadcrumbs. You can use a cake mixer to do this as well, but I prefer to use my finger tip. Or you can also use a fork. See, it's already incorporated. Now we will add the ice water and pull the mixture together. I like to do this to incorporate as much air as possible into the flour. All nicely incorporated. So I will make the well in the middle of the flour. I will not throw all the water, and I'm just going to pull this mixture together. We don't want to. The thing about pastry is the pastry dough. You don't knead it, you pull it together. Throw the remainder of water on this part of it. Well, we could use all the water there. Make a ball. So I'm trying to pull it together to make a ball. And what we do now, when the mixture is water. You leave it for a few minutes to relax in a cool place. You can put it in your refrigerator, or you damp a towel and cover the bowl and leave it to relax for a few minutes, maybe 15 or so minutes. You notice I'm not kneading it. Because we're looking for a flaky pastry crust. So guys, I'm going to leave this to rest for about 15 minutes. So now that the dough has rested, I'm going to lightly flour my surface. And we're now going to prepare to line the muffin pan. This is the muffin pan that we will put the cheese pie in. I want to try and handle this dough as little as possible. So I am making little balls, and I'm gonna flatten it out and line the pan. There's no need for you to grease the pan. The dough has enough fat in it, so the pastry would not stick to the pan. I just lighted the oven and it's on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. As you can see, I am lining the pan with the shortbread pastry. You can roll it out with a rolling pin, but I prefer to do it this way. You don't want it too thick, neither too thin, because if it's too thin, when you pour the filling into it, it will seep out. So let's go ahead and do the rest. And when I get back to you, you'll see what it looks like, and we will proceed with the egg and cheese filling for this. Okay, so I will add the egg to this bowl. 4 eggs, 250 ml evaporated milk to the egg. Then I will add, this is 1/8 teaspoon of salt to the mixture. You can add how much salt you wish for flavor. And then I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning to the mixture. I'm going to add half teaspoon. You can use any seasoning, powder seasoning of your choice. Now I will mix the egg and the seasoning into the milk and set it aside until I am ready. Now that the pan is lined with the pastry dough, we can now proceed with our filling. I'm gonna add to the egg and milk mixture some mustard and pepper to give it some more flavor. You can flavor this however you would like. Okay, setting that aside. So now I will put some cheese into each one of these shells. Okay, that is how you do it, or that is how I do it. So filling all of them. We may not use all of this cheese, but you can always use the extra to do something else, maybe some cheese rolls or to make a sandwich a bit later. I am gonna just sprinkle some of the echalot. Grated carrot, as well as the sweet pepper, just to give it a little garnish. I would have lined the pan with the pastry dough, added the cheese first, sprinkles of echalot, sweet pepper and carrot, and then I threw the egg and milk mixture onto that, and now I will top it with a sprinkle of cheese. I will do that for all of the tins and put it into the oven to bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. So our cheese pies are finished. It's just out of the oven and it took 25 minutes to bake at 200 degrees Celsius. Please like and share my page. Thank you for watching. Bye.